Konnichiwa minasan. So we are now on lesson 5. So in this topic we're going to discuss how to say papunta ka sa ganitong lugar, no? Or you're going to go somewhere. So this is some of the useful expressions or words that we can use in expressing or constructing our dialogue for lesson 5. So let's go. So the first one is the verb ikimas. Of course, the verb is composed of two parts, no? So as discussed in lesson 4. So we have iki and mas. So yung iki, that's the root word. It contains the meaning of the verb. Iki alone means to go. Okay. And normally the iki is the character or the root part of the let me have the okay. So normally iki is the root. No, this is the root. So the root verb contains the imi or the meaning, and normally it is written in kanji like this. It's written in kanji. While the stem, that's the mas, contains the negative or positive, affirmative siya or negation, or it's either non-pass or pass. So for this case, ikimas. So in this sense, it's meaning to say it's pass and it's positive non-pass. So as example, to go, which means say ikimas. Okay. Tokyo e ikimas. To go to Tokyo. So that's an example. Next, kimas, to come. Ashita wa gakko e ikimasu. So that's to come. Just like ikimasu, no? So you'll see that there is a stem and the base or the base and the root, no? So ki is the root and the mas is the stem or the base. So again, just like ikimasu, it's usually written in kanji. The root is written in kanji and the mas is written in the hiragana form. Okay? Next. Gakko, which means to say school. Gakko. Okay. So, there are many gakko, no? So, ito yung pag sinabing gakko, this generic. So, meron po tayong daigaku, which is the college or university. So, of course, meron rin tayong different level ng gakko. No? Anyway, we won't discuss it here kasi medyo hahaba na yung may memorize natin. Next, kairimas. Kairimas, which is to return or go back. So, example, go kasi hindi siya yung ano no isa kasi that's that's character go niji that's two niji ni or iye okay niji ni iye e kairimasu. Okay, this character is iye. Hindi po siya iye. Yeah. Which is house. Okay. Bahay. Okay. Next. So what's the difference of ikemas and kimas? So there is a slight, of course, if you're, this coin is quite confusing at first. So the difference is that if it's ikemas, you use this expression to express someone or something that moves from where it is now to another location. For example, you are stating watashi wa ikimasu or watashi wa ikimasu. So it means to say you are going somewhere. Example. Another example is uh gako e ikimasu. So from your existing place right now, let's say you are at home, you are going now to the school. So mean to say there is a particular emphasis that is given to your movement from your existing place, which is your home, going to your destination. That's kind of a emphasis. Parang may ganun siya. While kimas is, it is used when someone or something moves from a certain place to where the speaker it is. So mean to say that's equivalent of the expression push and pull, diba? So yung kimas is the push. So you're going to your destination kasi kailangan mo or parang ano eh, no, voluntary yung ginawa mo. You just want to go there. Now, Kimas, it's somewhere you are attracted to go there. You're going to be pulled, no? So anyway, there's slight subtle differences kasi if you are non-native speaker. Kasi sa mga native speaker, parang it comes natural to them eh. Pero sa mga katulad natin na native, parang medyo kailangan natin aralin yung context nito kasi nakakalito siya. Okay? At minsan syempre, ito yung nagiging cause ng confusion. Okay? So, in my experience, medyo dito ako nalito at first, okay, with my Japanese friends. So, let's have an example. Okay. Ashita tomodachi no ie e kimasu. So, that's character. And ashita tomodachi wa ie e kimasu. So, what does it mean? So, does it look the same or does it mean the same to you? Now, of course, hindi. Why? Yung first statement is ashita, which is tomorrow, tomodachi no ie. Okay. So, tomodachi no ie e ikimasu. I mean to say, you're saying here that tomorrow I will go to my house. Tomorrow I will go to my friend's house. Diba? So, ashita, tomorrow, tomodachi no ie, which is tomodachi is your friend, possession, 'di ba? Particle put no possession, that's ie, which is house. Okay. Kemas, which is to go. Yeah. Now, bakit di ginamit ang kemas diyan? Kasi ikaw mismo, the emphasis is nasaan kang tomorrow, nasa bahay ka, no? Papunta ka sa bahay ng friend mo. So, mean to say, uh, there is a volition on your part to go to your place, to go to your friend's house, no. Now that's baliktad. Okay, baliktad siya dito. So ashita tomodachi wa ie ekimasu. So pag ito sinabi mo is ashita tomorrow tomodachi wa ie ekimasu. So mean to say, yung friend mo tomorrow is pupunta sa bahay mo. Ashita tomodachi friend wa ie house ekimasu. So, sila ang pupunta sa bahay mo. So, 'di ba, laki ng difference. Yung first statement, ikaw ang pupunta sa bahay ng friend mo. Yung pangalawa is sila ang pupunta sa iyo. Okay, 'di ba? So, ano yung mga takeaway natin diyan? Ang takeaway diyan is yung verb na ikimas sa kakimas. So, napaka-importanteng malaman niyo 'yan. Though sa textbook kasi hindi masyado na elaborate 'yan. Pero sa tunay na buhay, importante 'yan kasi I experienced this. Nakakalito pala siya 'pag ano 'no, hindi mo alam kung especially if you're talking for setting appointment gano'n. So, siyempre it's tricky part na kailangan alam mo yung cultural references nito. Another thing is yung take away mo dito is yung tomodachi no ie. Kasi dito ine-emphasize mo na bahay ng friend mo. Dito, tomodachi wa ie. So, ang laki ng difference ng particle no sa wa. Kasi tomodachi wa, ang pinag-uusapan mo dito is yung friend. Dito, walang particle wa. So, ang assumption dito is yung nagsasalita yung speaker, siya yung pinag-usapan. So, tomodachi no ie. So, meaning to say, friend's house. Dito, your house kasi tomodachi wa ie. So, kaninong ie yan? Eh di wala naman sinasabi dito, di sa'yo. Diba? Ganun siya. So, nakita nyo na. So, again, recap lang natin ha. Importante emphasize ko to kasi nag-aaral ako, hindi ko siya masyado na intindihan sa textbook kasi sa experience sa Japan yan, medyo talagang gamit na gamit yan. Again, ikimas is you use this phrase to express that someone or something moves from where it is now to another location. So in our example, yung ikaw pupunta ka sa bahay ng friend mo. Now this one, kimas, is it's used for when someone or something moves from a certain place to where the speaker is. Di ba ikaw yung speaker kunwari? So yung mga friend mo, pupunta naman sila sa iyo sa bahay mo. Kimas, di ba? So yun po siya. Okay. Next. Iye. Okay. Iye. Iye. Hindi po iye. Okay. Again. Iye. Iye. Hindi po iye. Kasi iye is no. Iye. Iye. House. Okay. Alam niyo, nakakalito siya, di ba? Yung iye sa iye. Kasi ito, iye, mabilis lang to. Now, alam ko nakakalito yan. So, ako, sinasuggest ko, use other word kung nalilito kayo dyan. Now, for example, anata no iye wa doko desu ka? Anata no ie wa doko desu ka? Ayan. So, where is your house? Diba? Ngayon kung nalilito kayo dyan, ako, huwag kayong gumamit ng iye. Diba? Kakalitin. Iye. Especially, ako meron din ang problema minsan dyan. Masyado ako na double emphasis yung I minsan, no? So, parang nagiging no. Ngayon, to avoid that, I tend to use more clearer words such as uchi. Kasi uchi refers to home. So, anata no uchi wa doko desu ka? Where is your house? Or where is your home located? Or saan daw yung house mo? Saan daw yung bahay mo? Now, what's the difference of iye, saka uchi? Nakita nyo na, di ba? Minsan, ano daw yung difference ng iye sa uchi? Okay. Ang difference ng uchi is home. So rather than hindi lang po siya yung physical component ng home, refers to your house, furnitures, and fixtures, kundi pati yung dwelling or pati yung nakatira doon, kasama ka doon. It refers to home, di ba? Now, pag iye, refers to house lang, yung physical lang. Again, emphasize po natin na iye, no, iye, which is house. Okay, magkaiba po yun. So, careful tayo. Ngayon, pag di tayo careful masyado, I prefer to use uchi. Okay, next. Supa. Supa. Okay. Ano yun? Okay. Kala mo supermarket. Okay, that's a shortcut for supermarket or in the word, Japanese word for supermarket. So, hindi ko alam pa paano na-derive yan, pero I have a clue kasi super, di ba? Kaya ginawa nila supa. Okay. So, nata no uchi wa doko desu ka? So, where is your house? So, ngayon, syempre, ang tanong sa'yo, hindi naman siya related dito, no? So, siguro, gawa tayo ng sentence mas related dito using the same pattern. Okay? So rather than anata no uchiwa, tanungin natin, tanggalin na natin yung anata no uchiwa, 'di ba? Kasi syempre wala ka namang supermarket, 'di ba? Supa wa doko desu ka? So yan, mas related siya ngayon, 'di ba? So gano'n lang din ang tanungan natin. So tanggalin 'to, yung pattern na 'to, and then replace, 'di ba? Where is the supermarket? And then paano ko sasagutin ng mga tao is either to point a location or to give them an instruction. Okay, gano'n po. Next. Eki. Eki. Now, ang eki natin station, kasi normally, ginagamit siya sa train station. Pero applicable din siya sa bus station. So, okay? So, pag sinabing eki, wala kang sinasabi, eki lang, it refers to train station. Ngayon, pag may nilagay siyang baso no eki, bus station yon. So, particularly yung mga significant bus stations natin. Yung mga talagang, hindi lang siya yung bus stand, no? Talagang station siya. Yung pupuntahan mo talagang facility kung saan ka sasakay ng bus. Special kung provincial siya. Pero sa Japan, pag wala naman silang sinabing baso no eki, eki lang, refers to train station yan. Okay? So, kaya medyo linawin nyo. Okay? So, eki wa dochira desu ka? So, where is the train station? Or where is the station? Okay, next. Kuko. Hindi po yung kuko natin yan, ha? Kuko, okay, palatandaan na rin yan. Pero sa kanila kasi, kuko. So, the emphasis po, meron siyang half tone. Okay. So, kuko, airport. So, may dalawang kuko, no? So, may kukusai at kukunai. So, kukusai is international. Example, narita kukusai, kuko des. Okay, dami naman. Or, if you read it, mas native ang dating, kasi Tagalog ang pagkabasa ko, narita kuksai, kuko des. Okay, kuksai. So, tinatanggalan po natin ng word, ng sound, yung u. Kuksai. Kuko des. Okay. So yun po. Narita Kokusai Kuko des. Narita International Airport. Okay? Next. Hikoki. Airplane or aircraft. Okay. So refers to yung lumilipad, no? Aeroplano, yan. Nihon hikoki de kimasu. I will go to Japan by plane or by airline or by plane. Diba? So syempre, yun po yung thought. Okay? Next. Fune. Okay, fune, pag binasa niyo po ng ganyan fune, 'di ba ang fune meron tayong medyo isa siya sa mga challenging words to pronounce or sounds to produce, 'di ba? Hune. So, hune, so ship. Okay. Sa iba fune. So pag fune, okay, ano siya? Learner pa siya ng Japanese. Kasi ang sound ng fune na pag binasa mo is as English, h, 'di ba? Parang h, h, h. 'Di ba? He-san siya. Now, example, Boracay hune de ikimasu. Hune. Okay. So, ship, nag-travel siya by ship. Now, anyway, don't be too much concerned yet with the pronunciation kasi as you practice, as you interact with Japanese person, ma-adapt nyo rin yan eh. Importante muna, focus muna tayo sa words, logic, saka yung writing. Kasi yun ang medyo kailangan natin i-push para tuloy-tuloy yung success. Okay? So, don't be masyadong meticulous about your pronunciation. They would really understand kung hindi ka ganun kagaling mag-pronounce. Okay? Next. Densha. Electric train. So, Densha po ito. Hindi po yung PNR natin ha. Densha. Okay. So, pagpalagay nyo rin umaandar siya by electric. Okay. So, LRT what Densha des. So, LRT is electric train. Okay. Densha. Okay. Now, next is okay, ito yung ever famous Shinkansen, which is bullet train or the fastest or high-speed train. Okay. So, Philippine wa Shinkansen dewa arimasen. So, sa Philippines daw, wala daw tayong Shinkansen. Okay. Or there's no bullet train in the Philippines. Okay. Next. Chikatetsu or chikatets. Okay. Chikatets. Okay. Chika, it means to say below. Tetsu, ano yan? Iron or steel. So, subway, ibig sabihin niya. So, Koshien ni Chikatets de Ikimasu. So, papunta daw siya sa Koshien, which is a town in Japan. So, using subway. Okay. Kasi sa Japan, marami silang train. No? May train sa taas, may train sa ilalim. Yan. So, mamili ka na ng train mo. Next. Basu. Baso. Okay. Hindi po siya related sa baso. Basu is, of course, bus. Koshien ni basu de ikimasu. So I will go to Koshien by bus. Okay, next. Takushi. So may prolong siya. Takushi. Takushi. Mainichi wa gako takushi de ikimasu. Okay. So every day I go to the school using taxi or by taxi. Okay. Next. Jitensha. May asa jitensha de ikimasu. So every morning I go by bicycle or by bike or by cycle. Okay? May asa every morning. Diba? Next. Aruite de. Ginko ni aruite de ikimasu. So let's go or we'll go by foot at the bank or we'll go to the bank by foot. Okay? On foot. Okay. Next. Kasoku family. Disneyland kasoku to kimasu. Disneyland kasoku to ikimasu. So we'll go sa Disneyland with my family or we'll go to the Disneyland with my family. Okay, next. Oops. Kare kanojo. Okay. 'Di ba? Medyo kare boyfriend, 'di ba? He rin 'yan. Kanojo is she or girlfriend. So Disneyland kare to ikimasu. So I'll go to Disneyland with my kare, which is your boyfriend. Okay. To ikimasu. Next, hitori de, alone or by oneself. Ikaw lang mag-isa, solo flight. Boku wa hitori de sunde imasu. So, boku wa hitori de. So, boku ako. Hitori de, alone. Sunde imasu, it's expression of of living or living, no? Namumuhay. Ganyan, Tagalog. Okay. Tsugi, no. Tsugi no wa, so next. Diba? Sugi, next. So, sugi no wa. So, the next is ganyan. Okay? So, yan lang po. So, comment for suggestion if you have words that are still confusing for you. You can ask questions here in our video. So, yun lang po. Maraming salamat and really appreciate if you can comment, like, and share and subscribe. So, maraming salamat po. Bye-bye. Kiyos kita minasan. Ingat po tayo palagi.